Okay, this is an unboxing of a Girls Can Crate monthly subscription service. This is a crate that's actually designed for 2 children, so you can specify number of children that you want. So this month is Mary G. Ross. I don't know who that is, but these are really nice if you haven't seen my other videos. Really nice boxes. They give you little things that you can put together and information, and this is specifically about women through history and things that they've done. So they give you like a little card like that. And they always have like packing material you could use for different crafts in the future. And like I said, my package is for 2 children, so everything's doubled. So you get a little book, and it's very nice and colorful. So I'll tell you about the person. It's got this cute artwork in here. Looks like she worked on planes. Usually there's some historical photos as well. And different things like, find the differences. They're really nice books. They give you a lot of information. Here's, rocket kebabs, some more activities in there, dot to dot. And then these are the different projects. So a lot of times they'll have like things that you can do with stuff around your house, and then the specific projects that come in here with all the stuff. And it comes with everything that you need to do it. So, and very clear instructions. I mean, the books are so nice. They're so nice and colorful, good quality. I really like these packages. So there you go. There's that. Let's see, connected dots. And then all the supplies for it. Different things. And this just gives you an idea of what you get in for every month. And I like to just unbox it with you and show you what I'm getting. And eventually, when I get my life organized, I will make sure that I do videos of the actual projects too. Eventually I'd like to do that too. So you get these buttons. When you start, you get these little bags, little tote bags, and then you can put a button on each. They have like little circles, so you put a button for each month that you get. So yeah, there you go. That is this month's Girls Can Crate edition. And if you have any questions about Girls Can Crate, I'll do the best I can answer. I just received the boxes. I don't know anything else, but I received them. But they're nice little boxes, and if you're looking for something to send to somebody or whatever, these are nice.